Welcome to another daily motivation session. Today's topic is a fascinating one that many of you can relate to as you navigate the journey of success and wealth. We're diving deep into the intriguing world of new money versus old money. Let's start by setting the stage and making sure we're all on the same page. New money, often referred to as nouveau riche, represents individuals who have accumulated their wealth in the current generation. These are the trailblazers in their family lineage, the first to strike it rich. Think tech billionaires, star athletes, movie and TV icons, and those who've hit it big with their entrepreneurial ventures. On the flip side, we have old money, representing families that have enjoyed wealth for generations, like the Gettys, Vanderbilts, Rothschilds, Wendells, Agnellis, and the elite families featured in Crazy Rich Asians. Old money is all about preserving generational wealth, a tradition that goes back centuries. Now let's dive into the 15 key differences between these two social classes. 1. Perspective on time. New money individuals are all about the here and now, chasing high-risk, high-reward opportunities in the present. They're the risk-takers of today's world, where quick gains and rapid success are the name of the game. In contrast, old money takes the long view, prioritizing wealth sustainability for future generations, often viewing wealth as a multi-generational legacy rather than a short-term conquest. 2. Spending habits. Old money individuals tend to be loyal to legacy brands, traditions, and well-established institutions, maintaining a sense of continuity with their family's history. They frequent their favorite hotels, resorts, and automobile brands, valuing familiarity over novelty. New money, on the other hand, is known for bold and attention-grabbing spending habits, unafraid to make extravagant purchases, and proudly flaunt their newfound wealth. 3. Cultural influences. New money individuals are heavily influenced by contemporary culture and societal trends, shaping their values and preferences. They may find older customs and traditions antiquated, as they've grown up in a rapidly changing world. Conversely, old money cherishes and preserves long-standing traditions and cultural practices, often viewing them as integral to their family's heritage and identity. 4. Sports and entertainment. New money individuals are deeply connected to modern sports and popular culture, finding inspiration and fascination in the achievements of today's athletes and entertainers. They may relate more to figures like LeBron James or Kim Kardashian, as these are the icons of their time. In contrast, old money often gravitates towards exclusive, less accessible forms of entertainment, such as polo, golf, or classical music, which align with their traditional and refined tastes. 5. Lifestyle. New money individuals lead fast-paced lives, driven by productivity, goal-setting, and the pursuit of personal achievements. They may have busy schedules, often documented on social media, and are eager to seize every opportunity that comes their way. In contrast, old money enjoys a more relaxed and leisurely lifestyle, characterized by philanthropic endeavors, social gatherings, and a sense of time-tested refinement. They value their privacy and prefer to maintain a low-key profile in society. 6. Privacy. Old money places a high premium on privacy and is willing to invest in maintaining a low profile. They understand that their family name is a valuable asset that must be protected at all costs, which often involves spending money on privacy measures and image maintenance. This emphasis on discretion is deeply ingrained in their traditional cultures. 7. Etiquette. old money takes etiquette seriously, instilling proper behavior and decorum from a young age. They believe in adhering to established social norms and codes of conduct, which can sometimes be perceived as snobbery by outsiders. In contrast, new money is more inclined to follow modern social norms and may not place as much importance on traditional etiquette. 8. Socializing. Old money typically prefers to entertain at home, fostering a sense of exclusivity and maintaining control over the social environment. They may frequent the same, well-established social circles and maintain long-standing relationships. New money, in contrast, enjoys exploring new restaurants, pop-up venues, and the latest social trends, often seeking novel experiences and a wider social network. 9. Extravagance. New money is known for its extravagant spending habits, often throwing lavish parties and indulging in luxury experiences. This group has been associated with extravagant displays of wealth, such as champagne showers in exclusive nightlife destinations, in some cases embarrassing themselves in the process. In contrast, old money tends to be more reserved in their spending, preferring not to indulge in excessive displays of opulence. 10. Relatability. New money individuals are often seen as more relatable to the average person, as many of them have experienced the journey from modest beginnings to significant wealth. They tend to connect well with people from diverse backgrounds and may not exhibit snobbish behavior. In contrast, old money may seem more distant and protective of their social status, sometimes even paranoid about newcomers disrupting the existing order of things. 11. Change. New money thrives in an ever-changing world and actively embraces and drives innovation. They are often at the forefront of technological advancements and are quick to adapt to new trends and opportunities. Old money, however, can be resistant to change, preferring the stability and familiarity of established traditions and practices. 12. Knowledge. New money tends to specialize deeply in their respective fields, becoming experts in specific industries. Their focus is on mastering one area to achieve success. In contrast, old money values a broader general knowledge base, as they've been groomed from a young age to excel in conversations and social settings. 13. Wealth preservation. Old money has a proven track record of preserving wealth over generations, often employing strategies that ensure financial security for their descendants. They invest in assets that appreciate over time, such as property, land, and stocks, to safeguard their family's financial future. In contrast, new money often prioritizes accumulating wealth quickly and may not have the same level of experience in wealth preservation. 14. Philanthropy. Many of the world's wealthiest individuals, often from new money backgrounds, commit to donating a significant portion of their fortunes to charitable causes upon their death. This trend is more prevalent in Western cultures and less common in places like India or China. Old money, however, may have a different approach, often focusing on traditional charitable foundations and causes that align with their family's values. 15. Attire. New money prioritizes comfort and personal style over adhering to traditional dress codes, often opting for casual or trendy clothing. Iconic figures like Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, and Elon Musk are known for their relaxed attire. In contrast, old money values the adherence to established dress codes and may opt for more formal and traditional clothing, maintaining a sense of decorum and tradition in their appearance. Now, let's wrap this up with some valuable insights. To become new money and stay relevant in the ever-changing world, you must embrace new technologies as they offer a competitive edge. Remember, it often takes around 5 years for new technology to mature, so be patient and consistent. Once you've accumulated wealth, focus on smart financial management. Invest in cash flow generating assets such as property, land, index funds, art, and stocks to secure your financial future. We hope you found this breakdown helpful in understanding the differences between new money and old money. And if you see yourself as part of the new generation of entrepreneurs driving the transfer of wealth, let us know by commenting "New Money." Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want more content like this, subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay motivated and keep chasing those dreams.